Planned Parenthood calls a new abortion law in South Carolina grossly unconstitutional. It filed a lawsuit to block the law just as the governor signed it this afternoon. Fox 46's South Carolina Bureau Chief Shakira Speaks has new reaction from lawmakers.
Several House Democrats here in South Carolina say they don't understand why the legislature is spending so much time on a bill that'll never pass. House Minority Leader J. Todd Rutherford says there are other urgent items that the state representatives need to get to, but instead they're worrying about what a woman can and cannot do with her body.
Well, this is a big day. This is a big day.
A big day for the Republicans of South Carolina after the South Carolina Fetal Heartbeat and Protection from Abortion Act passed with a 79-35 House vote just over 24 hours ago.
If there is not a right to life, then what life is there? What rights exist, if not the elementary, fundamental, profound right to life?
The bill requires an ultrasound test for a detectable fetal heartbeat before an abortion is performed, and it prohibits an abortion if a fetal heartbeat is detected.
We declare that we are pro-life state in Jesus' name.
But House Democrats don't feel this way.
That they don't care about people. They aren't pro-life. They're divisionists because we all know that this bill is unconstitutional.
Representative J.A. Moore, House Minority Leader J. Todd Rutherford, and several other Democrats who opposed the bill walked out of the House chambers on Wednesday in protest.
We just felt like, again, to discuss that bill yesterday, ignored all of those people that are dying and giving up their life because this state is ill prepared to deal with the pandemic, that we are ill prepared to deal with drug overdoses, that we are ill prepared to deal with educating children. And so to discuss that bill yesterday, it was extremely ill-timed, misconceived, and just simply wrong. And that is why the House Democratic Caucus walked out.
Pro-abortion groups plan to talk to a federal judge about staying the law until they can get to the Supreme Court. Representative Moore says he's not worried because it'll never be the law of the land in South Carolina.
The government can sign it as many times as they want. The courts will strike it down and it will never go into effect.
Representative Rutherford says he just wants South Carolinians to see that the governor does not care about what's going on in their lives due to the pandemic. Reporting in York County, Shakira Speaks, Fox 46.